Clickmagick, seeing the picture of your Google Ads success. Imagine this, you pour money into Google Ads, hoping to attract new customers. Clicks pile up, your reports look promising, but are you missing something? The truth is, Google Ads only tells part of the story. Yes, it tracks clicks, but what happens after someone clicks? Do they make a purchase? Sign up for your newsletter? That's where Clickmagick shines. Think of Clickmagick as your Google Ads detective. It digs deeper, revealing every step taken by your visitors, not just the first click. Here's why Clickmagick is essential for any business owner using Google Ads. Tip number 1, uncover hidden conversions. Google Ads might miss important actions like phone calls, offline purchases, or form submissions. Clickmagick captures every conversion, even the ones Google overlooks. For example, John sees your ad, clicks, and then calls your shop. Google won't count that as a conversion, but Clickmagick will, showing you the true value of your ad. Tip number 2, go beyond clicks. Go deeper than just clicks and impressions. Clickmagick shows you which landing pages convert best, helping you optimize your campaigns for maximum profit. For example, you discover that one landing page converts twice as well as another. Clickmagick shows you this so you can focus your budget on the winner. Tip number 3, stop click fraud in its tracks. Click frauds can drain your budget. Clickmagick identifies suspicious clicks and bots, so you're only paying for real interactions. For example, Clickmagick exposes hundreds of fake clicks from a shady competitor. You can block them, saving thousands. Tip number 4, understand your customer journey. See how visitors move through your website after clicking your ad. This insight helps you improve the user experience and boost conversions. For example, you learn that visitors who watch your product video are more likely to buy. Clickmagick helps you prioritize video ads. Tip number 5, make smarter decisions. With all your conversion data in one place, you can make data-driven decisions about your Google Ads campaigns. For example, you see that certain keywords attract high-quality leads but don't convert well. Clickmagick helps you adjust your bids accordingly. So in conclusion, Clickmagick is more than just a tracking tool. It's your partner in understanding your Google Ads performance and maximizing your ROI. With Clickmagick, you can stop guessing and start seeing the full picture of your advertising success. Want even more Google Ads wisdom? Follow me on my social media for daily tips and tricks.